This is Senator Van Hollen. All right, Senator Van Hollen. You talk about freedom of speech. Freedom of speech. Well, this is freedom of speech. I was making a documentary about the Democratic Party. 14% drug users, 56% incarceration. You feel me? I was making a movie about the Democratic Party. That's Ozzie Newsome, Ed Mulitalo, and Shorty. That's Jack Young, Mayor Brandon Scott, and Kwaisi and Fume. Right here, Maryland Controller. Federal and state audit, criminal charges. All right? Dear Mr. Davis, thank you for contacting the Controller's office. They asked for an investigation. They told me to contact the police department. I contacted the police department. I contacted everybody I was supposed to contact. I even contacted you, Senator Van Hollen. I contacted Senator Van Hollen, Senator Grassley, Senator Hardin, Senator Mikulski, Dutch Ruppersberger. I want to go to the Supreme Court because we talk about freedom of speech. Making a documentary about the Democratic Party and the money you make off of the war on drugs. That's not against the law. That's Nancy Pelosi. These are your elected officials. We will confront racism to create a more inclusive and just world. And we stand in solidarity with our black partners, customers, and community. These is your elected officials. You feel me? These is your elected officials. That's a movie release, shorty documentary. All right? I was making a movie. You said the First Amendment, the Constitution. Right here. Dutch Ruppersberger, Senator Hardin's Durbin. All right? For filming a documentary. False imprisonment for filming a documentary. Shorty documentary. A shorty documentary. Dear States Attorney Mosby, she got that. The documentary, that's Jane Miller. That's President Obama. You feel me? And that's Scott Shellenberger and Governor Hogan. First Amendment rights, freedom of speech. Ain't no law against making a documentary. The documentary is about the war on drugs. And we going to the Supreme Court, the grand jury, 2023 session.